The Toyota Proace II 2017 teen present offers adjustable rear seats for enhanced passenger comfort and cargo flexibility. This video will guide you through the process of adjusting both the position, sliding, and backrest recline of your Proace II's rear seats. These adjustments are generally manual, using levers, though higher trims may offer powered adjustments. The Toyota Proace II rear seats feature two primary adjustment mechanisms. Position adjustment, also called sliding, allows you to move the seat forward or backward to optimize legroom and access. Backrest adjustment, or reclining, changes the seat back angle to improve comfort and posture. The sliding mechanism is controlled by a lever typically located near the floor under the front of the seat cushion. Pulling this lever releases the seat rails, allowing manual forward or backward movement. The reclining mechanism uses a lever on the side of the seat, often marked with a reclining icon. Pulling this lever unlocks the backrest, allowing you to adjust the angle. Release the lever to lock the backrest in position. Always familiarize yourself with these levers before making adjustments. The sliding lever is under the seat cushion, while the reclining lever is on the seat side. Proper adjustment ensures optimal comfort and safety. Locate the sliding adjustment lever, usually found beneath the seat cushion near the front. Lift the lever to release the seat rail. Slide the seat forward or backward to your desired position. Ensure the seat is locked into place by pushing it back or forward until you hear a distinct click. Always confirm the seat is securely locked before driving to prevent unexpected movement. Find the backrest adjustment lever on the side of the seat. Lift the lever to unlock the backrest. Gently recline or adjust the backrest to your preferred angle. Release the lever to lock the backrest in the new position. Avoid over-reclining, as it can reduce the effectiveness of the head restraint in a collision. Always ensure seat belts are properly positioned and not obstructed after making adjustments. Do not make adjustments while the vehicle is in motion. After adjusting, double-check that the seats are securely locked in place. Refer to your Proace II owner's manual for specific instructions and safety guidelines related to your model and trim level. If the seat is difficult to slide, check for obstructions on the floor rail, such as debris or objects. If the backrest lever is stuck, ensure nothing is pressing against the back of the seat. For powered seats, if equipped, check the vehicle's electrical system and fuses if the seats are not responding. To maintain your Toyota Proace II seats for longevity, start with regular cleaning of the seat tracks and mechanisms. Use a soft brush and vacuum to remove dirt and debris that can cause wear over time. Next, perform periodic inspections of the levers and locking mechanisms. Check for signs of wear, rust, or damage at least monthly, and pay attention to any unusual noises during seat adjustments. If you notice any damage, misalignment, or unusual noises, consult a qualified mechanic right away. Regular maintenance ensures safety and extends the life of your seats. The Toyota Proace II leads in seat adjustability. Trends are shifting toward electrification and personalization. Looking ahead to 2026 to 2030, vans will feature AI-integrated systems that automatically adjust seats based on user profiles and biometric data from sensors detecting posture. These systems may include haptic feedback to provide ergonomic alerts, enhancing comfort and safety for drivers.